What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I got a question. Have you been tasked with creating a PowerPoint presentation and you don't know where to begin? Are you endlessly searching through Google only to find out that you need to pay for a subscription for a PowerPoint template? I want to tell you to stop right here. Canva has thousands of free templates waiting for you, and I'll show you how to use them in my free mini class. As a graphic and web designer with over 16 years of experience, I can confidently say that Canva has been a game changer for me, baby. It has helped me to work way more efficiently and to create impactful, beautiful PowerPoint presentations in no time. Now, I'm going to share my secrets with you. So what you're going to learn in this class, you're going to learn how to navigate Canva. It's real simple and easy. I'm going to give you tips on selecting, the perfect presentation for whatever it is that you need. We're going to add some images. We're going to do some animations and some little interactive elements. And then we're going to export it over to an actual PowerPoint presentation. So here's why you need to join this class. You're going to gain valuable information in about 30 minutes. It's completely free, no strings attached. And then you're going to learn from a seasoned designer who knows the ins and outs of creating a really nice PowerPoint presentation. Then the bonus that I'm going to give you guys for joining, I'm going to present you with just a nice Canva presentation to jumpstart your next project. So I'm going to do this on January the 30th at 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. It's going to be online. I'm going to have on a Zoom link so you can register on Eventbrite or on my website. I'm going to open this class up to maybe about 25 participants. So anyway, sign up in the link below or, wherever it is on my social media and join for the class because I'm telling you it's going to be really informative and y'all just don't know. Canva got it going on. So sign up and I look forward to talking to you later. Peace out.